Hello and welcome. So I'm at Caravan Salon. I've got this integrated motorhome from Ilusion to show you today. So let's go and have a walk into that one right now. Now, as you can see, most of the vehicles are semi-integrated on a Fiat Ducato. This one, however, the i7DB, you're looking at approximately 110,000. It depends on the equipment level, so I'm not really able to say. What I did before filming this was I put the bed down, so it's a professional day and a public not in here, so I was able to do that. That's what it looks like with the bed down, and I'll show you with the bed up in a moment. We'll have a little bit of a walk around first though. So we've got here a semi-dinette table by the Spanish company Pössl. We've got a forward-facing bench as I come to midships, sink, and over here they've been taken out, but that's what the three burners would look like. Of course, the bits for it come with it when you buy it. We've got storage below. One thing about storage, just to point out, proper sides to it, and storage down here. On the other side we've got a fridge. It's a fridge that opens in both directions. Obviously that comes with all the bits as well for it. Here we've got a grill, and coming to the back we find in here, there we go, we've got a shower, but note they've put a duck board. Now, duck board isn't necessary in here because it's not a place you sort of walk across, but I'm sure it has its uses. And let's come across here like this. We'll put that in there like that. I can get that in there. There's the toilet, sink, and at the back we've got a German bed layout. We've got storage all the way around. We've got there, you see what it looks like. Here, space here does gone to waste a bit, I think, because on the other side there's clearly space. This is meant to be for the television. You've got the television plug there, and you've also got a shore power plug there, using an American word, an electric point. And here the bed is formed by putting this thing here. You can see that we've got a way to take this, will come out, this comes down across. Oh, lift this up like that. I'll lift the whole thing up once. And then these cushions will go in here, and that makes the bed up. Of course, it's much better to have two hands whilst you're doing things of this nature, which is why I did it up front first. Here you can see you've got storage in the steps. We've got these things here with side walls, and here we've got the this. There's a lot of storage in. I don't think it's going to come up very well clearly, but there's that is a large wardrobe. Okay, have a look down here. What could this be? There you've got your water. I do like to have water access inside, but it's unusual with the fresh water this far back. I can't remember, did I show you that? And below as well. And now we'll have a look at what else is in the double floor down here. So what could be here? I genuinely don't know. There you go, it's storage cabinet. And here we have ooh, I'm not going to get that one open, but sorry, okay, we'll leave that one for the moment. Storage down there as well. Skylight in the roof down there. What do you call it? Extraction there. And what I'm now going to do is I'm going to put up the bed. Now, to get the bed down, these beds are manufactured by Lipid Components, so you'll see this in other companies as well. I think actually I've got a film on my website showing how these things come down. So you to get it to come down, you pull this thing here out and then you push down. But to go up, it's quite light. Look, it's very, very, very light. Super light. There we go. And then you can tie these things up, which I can't do with one hand. And so that gives you an idea of what it looks like up front. Now, I've become a big believer in the door on the driver's side, having now been living in a integrated motorhome for 2.5 years. Without that, it'd be very, very difficult. Here they've come up with a rather unusual means of the window here. Now, in my case, for example, driving a Hymer, though admittedly it's now 21 years old, it's somewhat, you have got to press something in and then pull it across. Now, if this vehicle were in motion, maybe that's a better system, sliding system. I don't know. I mean, it's the first time I've actually seen it. So this is actually manufactured by Ilusion. It's one of theirs. I mean, it doesn't look particularly attractive, but how well it works, well, I don't know. I can't say. I'd want to see it in action first. Oh, I didn't show you when the bed was down. There's also a screen for the windscreen, so that blackout screen, which you can actually use. Now, Ilusion has a rather good system for insulation and stability, meaning that things shouldn't really be shaking around as the vehicle moves around. And something called fiberplast Pössl system, and it's meant for stability. I'll have to do a longer video on that, I think, sometime in the future. Now, as you'd expect, there is a mosquito screen there. Let's come out. So large garage at the back, access from both sides. So anyway, I'll tell you what, let's finish this by walking around here. And looking at the front. I'm a big believer now in integrated. I know I wasn't when I started filming things. I used to be a rabbit on about duck boards a lot as well, but I still believe in duck boards. But now, having lived in integrated, I certainly wouldn't want to change it for a non-integrated. No way. But anyway, that's just me. Others may think differently. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.